if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you so much for always coming back. So guys, in this video today, you can see my hair is looking so rough. Like, there are lots of flyaways on my hair, which is the reason why I want to refresh my cornrows. So guys, this is what I'll be doing. I will take down a cornrow and plait it back. That is what I'll be doing to refresh my cornrows and make them look neater and better than this. So let's get started. Okay, and I'll be doing this without water. I want to avoid putting water on my hair too much. I want to do more of oil and butters and leave water alone for some time. That is what I want to do right now. So I'll be taking this down without spraying my hair with water, and I'll be moisturizing my hair with my hair cream. That is what I'll be doing in this video. So if you really want to know how to refresh your cornrows without taking them down, please keep on watching. Okay, so guys, let me show you all what my hair is looking like currently. Then after refreshing them, I will show you how it is looking like again. So let me show you all. So let's go ahead and refresh my cornrows. Guys, I'm done with this part. Let me now show you guys what I am doing. After taking down a cornrow, I apply my coconut oil, a little bit of it, then I massage it into that section. Then I'll finger the tangle to remove any knots and tangles from that section. Then I'll go ahead and cornrow it back. This is just how I refresh my cornrows before wash day. So guys, I'm done with this section. I'm done with this parts of my hair. So I'll go ahead now and finish up this part off camera. Then I'll come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like. So this is it. This is the side that have been refreshed, and this is the side that is about to get refreshed. So let's go do that and come back. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching. This is the end result. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.